Hello everyone! So happy to be here. Okay, I have to announce once again. This week the 4 episodes are recorded in one day, just last Sunday. Just as what I told. The present time, the present current time, the now. I am in Sunday. Okay, so I don't have other thoughts or just other reflections. So only one thing is just I have watched the correspondent dinner this morning, and I feel so moved, and I make a decision and made up my mind. Determination is so highly, and I was just firmly decided to support the Mr. Joe Biden, the President, Mr. President Biden. So you will feel so weird all this week. Every episode I always talk about this, or other I can just share with you. It's just I don't know. But the first things I feel and I can just acknowledge. If to talk about other topic except the president, Mr. Joe Biden, maybe in your life, I only suggest one thing. You have to clearly clarify what you want in your life, and how is your aim and goal. You cannot just make a goal or aim, but just destroy or just bother others. Then, if your goal and aim is very perfect, the only one thing is several items. Just the one is time. Do you have sufficient time to achieve it? The second is the money. Do you have the sufficient fund to complete your aim or goal? The time and the money and your ability, that is where your ability from the knowledge and the experience. So when you want to achieve your goal and aim, you have to always focus on and notice, do you have the time? Do you have the fun? Do you have the ability? So when the 3 reasons coming out to you, that means your successfulness is just quickly approaching to you. Okay, so I think you have to ponder several days that to arrange or tidy up all your stuff in your daily life. So many things has to cope with and handle on. So that is not easy to just achieve a goal. That is very hard to accomplish. So that is all I want to share with you. So when we talk about President Joe Biden, actually he's a man not only very cautious, prudent, virtue bursting. You have to emphasize this. Virtue bursting. Okay, I like Mr. Joe Biden, President Joe Biden, because he is a man not only with his words. He's a very cautious and prudent one that I can feel safe, and I can just feel peaceful when I offer my country to him. So and he is an earnest one who never rebel, just to destroy the promise that he connect with the God, connect with the people, connect with his team, connect with the Constitution. So I can trust in that. I can just believe when I just offer the country to him. I can see is the another 4 years, another steady, and with prosperity, the country will become more and more normally prosperous. So what I have added the word formally, normally or formally. You can be rich or full of wealth, but if your way, your method is not appropriate, you're just a richer that is not very normally or formally. You feel good, you have money, but on the reputation and sometimes the credit, people will just give you a not very good estimated comment. So that is very important. When you have to choose a candidate. Okay, that's today's video. Okay, so that's the video we talk about this. Okay, so I just clued you. The second one is just expanding from the first one. So we know here you can see. So when we just discussed the question 1, so we know here is the racket square, but minus 8. So the discussion we have to inspect. 1 is 8, 1 is 0, 1 is negative 1. 1 is so we just interval. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 intervals. Every point is just the 1 is the negative 1, and 0 and 8. Okay, so we just separate the intervals into 1 is the A is smaller than negative 1. Another is the A is among the negative 1 and 0. And another is the A is equal 0. Or the A is equal negative 1. And then the A is among 0 and 8. And another one is the A is bigger than 8. So I hope you can understand this question, not because my explanation is very worse. I just want you to know this. Okay, this is negative 1. This is the 0. Okay, so, and this is A. So, A is smaller than, or A is, okay, so A is equal, or A is equal 0 and negative 1. or A is equal A and 0. Okay, so that is all around A. All around A. Okay, fine. That is perfect. Okay, so next questions we have to draw the chart. Okay. Here are two equations and we have to draw the chart. So the first thing is to do the completing square method. To do the completing square method, okay, y is equal to x squared plus 12x plus 16. So that is equal to x plus 3 squared minus 2. So the vertex is -3 and -2, and the symmetrical axis is x equal -3. So the chart will like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So here is the point. So the chart will just be located here. Okay, so can you accept it? Okay, another one is y is equal minus -3x squared plus 4x plus 1. So that will equal -3 multiply the bracket x minus 2 of 3 squared plus 7 of 3. So the vertex is 2 of 3 and 7 of 3, and the symmetrical axis is x equal to of 3. So you can just see this chart. So 2 of 3, maybe here, 2 of 3, and the 7 of 3. Maybe here. So here is 2 of 3 over 7 of 3. Can you see here? The A is negative. Okay, so the chart will just like this. Okay. Okay, so next question. So next question say that here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions. This one. Want you satisfy the following items, condition, and sub out each quadratic function. Just like the first. The first give you condition. The chart just passing through. -1, 7. 0, -2. 1, -5. So you have to sort out the chart, the function, the quadratic function, the equation from the condition, the 3 point. Okay, so first we said the equation is y is equal x squared bx c. Then put 3 points in it. Then we get 7 is equal a minus b plus c, and -2 equals c, and -5 equal a plus b plus c. Therefore, we get a is equal 3, b is equal -6, c is equal -2. Therefore, the equation is y is equal 3x squared is equal 3x squared minus cx minus 2. Okay, the second one, the condition is the symmetrical axis is x equal 4 and passing through 2 points, 2, 1 and 5, -2. So if the symmetrical axis is x equal 4, so we can say the equation must be y equal a bracket x minus 4 and plus k. Then we put the 2 points into it. Okay, C. Because the symmetrical axis is x equal 4, we say the equation is y equal x minus 4 squared. Is ax minus 4 squared plus k. Then put 2 points in it. Therefore, 1 is equal 4a plus k. 1 is negative 2 equal a plus k. Thus, we get a is equal 1, k is equal negative 3. The equation is y equal x minus 4 squared minus 3. Then y is equal x squared minus 8x plus 13. Okay, so 3 give you the vertex, the peak point, negative 2, 3, and passing through the point negative 1, 5. So because we know the vertex, the peak point, so we can say the equation is y equal a bracket x plus 2 squared and plus 3. Because passing through the point, we put it in. Okay, so 3. Because the vertex is negative 3. Thus, we say the equation is y equal a x plus 2 squared plus 3. Then put the point in it. Therefore, phi equal a plus 3. Therefore, a is equal to. So therefore, the equation is y equal to x plus 2 squared plus 3. that is y equal to x squared plus 8x plus 11. Okay, here just a little bit different. The x interval, the intercept point on the x-axis. So the distance, the interval, the point is 1. Is 1, 2. Is 1 and 2. And the passing through the 3, 4. So, okay. So, because we have to think one thing. When the x has two answers. One is 1, one is 2. So the x equal 1 and the x equal 2 are all qualified. We have to connect with your concept that you have ever learned before. The situation A, the situation X, X1, X2, all qualified. So we can just get it. That x minus 1 and x minus 2 can multiply together and multiply another constant to just show this is just a chart equation like. So we can say y is equal k x minus 1 multiply x minus 2. Then put the point in it. So therefore, we can get 4 equal k, 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 2. Thus, k is equal to. Therefore, the equation is y equal to x minus 1, x minus 2. Then the equation is 1 equal to x squared minus cx plus 4. Okay, this is today's video. I want to share with you all two kinds, two types to solve. You can just enjoy different interesting things in this chapter. One is draw the chart, another is just contrary side. Just give you the answer on the chart, give you the point and some condition. You have to solve out the original equation is. So that is very interesting, marvelous, and very spectacular. Okay, so that is today's video. Next one, we have to solve others. So thank you for your watching. So see you next time. Bye bye.